What to do if Chrome keeps freezing when watching YouTube videos. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Chrome keeps freezing, then go ahead and open Google Chrome on your device. Here, tap on the three dots you see in the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings there. Now, in the left side toolbar, you will see the option for System. Tap on that and toggle off the button for Use Hardware Acceleration when available and relaunch the app. Tap on the three dots again and tap on Privacy and Security on the left side toolbar. You will see the option for Clear Browsing Data. Tap on that and go ahead and tap on Clear Data. Select the time range to all time. Also, make sure to select all the checkboxes you see there. Tap on three dots again and this time tap on Extensions and then tap on Manage Extensions. Go ahead and disable all the extensions for the time being. In Settings again, you will see the option for Reset Settings. Tap on that and then tap on Restore Settings to their original defaults. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Reset Settings and by now, your Google Chrome should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.